no, I people take it negatively when they say that neither.
No.
Zip bad.
Yeah.
I'm a bad. Don't take it the negative way. Think about it the positive way.
No,
right?
if you never bought the song, no one about.
Understand now, man.
You know we're not partial, right?
Just cool now.
But Rytikal,
yeah.
one talk about school, where you start school and everything. I mean, you have Sapphire or chop it up. More and more.
And Sapphire, more you call her on this interview.
Oh, I have new name, Sapphire.
Yeah, man, Sapphire she name.
Alright.
Sapphire she a place, you understand?
Alright. So give the history quick.
Who wants to talk about your
Yeah,
life?
I know my school business is a serious thing still, you understand me I say? Okay, projection, okay. I'm nerdy now,
yeah, man.
Okay, what I'm saying is my school business is serious due to my mistake. I'm sorry. I'm live and I have my phone on, didn't put my phone on silent. I'm so sorry. Okay, get this out of the place. Flex, get rid of that boss. Interview management.
Right,
Flex,
so go straight into it.
All time. Yeah, get straight into
Yeah, man, up and running, man. Let's go.
Live. Okay, so schooling wasn't easy for me.
Yeah.
Understand? And this is the first time explaining how really schooling was for me. My mother had to do things that she had to do to get me to go to school. And in times where in my understanding times, I've realized that I put my mother through too much. I have to do it for myself. So me start, you understand me I say, beauty in a struggle. Don't take it as a negative example, youths more understand me I say. I've started selling weed in school. Craving a card pack.
So that's
Me
so
no,
sharp.
you understand? You hustle, me a hustle. Yeah. Me not pay for girls school too, you know, griminess, you know what them call it, badness, whichever way.
Yeah.
But the moral of what I'm saying is, there's beauty in the struggle. This is me now.
Yeah.
You all know me. What if I hadn't done? What if?
Yeah.
Just what if? You understand? But me know now one thing. Me already make it. So me already do it for me already. So me I do it for the youth them like me. You understand?
Yeah.
And biblically speaking, I am that I am is a term I want everybody to read up. I am that I am. You understand? It's not you are that you are now.
Yeah.
It's I am that I am. So what it is? What is it?
You explain it to us.
I've clearly explained it.
Okay.
I repeat what I've said.
Right.
What repeat, just repeat for me.
That I am what I am.
You are.
You are what
is
you
not
are.
that it. You have to repeat with the timing and everything. I am that I am.
Okay, I am that I am.
With vigor, assurity, confidence. I am that I am.
Alright.
If it wasn't for me then, to be clear, if it wasn't for me then, me wouldn't be possible.
Exactly.
Giving notice, I'm not saying that I always have to big up my mother, my father, you know, I couldn't do it without them. You understand?
Yeah.
My parents birthed me.
Yeah.
So it's beyond them. They have already birthed you. You are here for them. They have already done their job. So you're gonna have some people that like their mother and not like their father. You know why? They have learned things in life. Alright. Simple example. Facts as well. Not example. Just a fact. Enough youth feel less of themselves due to the facts that them could do the things for themselves. And the fact and people get grudgeful in their life. When time them feel like you do it for somebody else and you not do it for them. You understand what I say? So it's a thing where you have to balance yourself in life. Know where is wrong and know where it is right. This beauty in the struggle. Not saying you always are going to be right and you always are going to be wrong.
Yeah.
What I'm saying, when you realize you're wrong, acknowledge that. That is the fact of life. Acknowledge when you're wrong. That's the only way of moving forward. When you are right, you are only right. Remember that. Nobody can take that from you because you are. I am that I am.
Yeah.
Alright.
I get you. I feel you. I feel you.
That is it.
Alright, talk about your come up now, your growth in the industry since you came onto the scene. I mean, Cookie Jar was the first.
No, God,
Big
no,
sound here.
not the first.
For me,
Galaxy.
I'm talking.
Okay,
Yeah,
because you're a female. You're a female. I just fire you, bro.
Right.
You understand what I say? So you're a female.
Tell me
So
about your rise in the industry.
okay, I'm gonna explain. I'm saying, alright, my rise in the industry started when my in the industry.
Yeah.
Sorry. In the industry. So I'm gonna clear that. I started music in the industry at East Side.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
So my music struggle wasn't really any struggle due to the fact that I followed, I'm not saying come, I can't say that. I followed to a realization that, you understand what I say? Life is what you make it. Remember, only one thing in this earth is promised to mankind. Can you tell me? Can anyone tell me what is the promise? What has been promised to any man, woman, human being, baby when you born it is promised to? What is that promise that you have? What is inevitable to any life? Thank you very much. Death is inevitable. So sometimes you fight for the wrong thing because you fear death. You understand? And sometimes you don't put out the right fight for the right thing because you fear death.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
But remember, you that is promised to you. Do what you have to do. You are given. You are given a task in life. Every human being on the face of this earth has been given a task. And that is your only mission. Money now not for it.
Yeah.
Me not no money. You know see me rich? Me not no money, my friend. Me like bill and me water and everything there.
Yeah.
Me not no money, me not no car, me not have nothing. You know watch me.
Talent and blessing.
That is it. Me blessed. Me no want what them have to give me through my talent. Me want to accept what me have to give. Uno through my talent.
Alright.
Alright.
That is it.
Yeah.
That is it.
Alright, where are you right now with your music? 2022. Just
Purity. You don't have to even say nothing more. Purity. It's just purity.
Yeah.
Pure Rytikal. So it's a pure. I'm explaining. Purity means purity. You know purity.
Yeah, man.
What is purity? You know what? You know who is Riti, right? Who is Riti? No, you know who them attack to. You know who them refer to when them say Riti?
No, I could know.
Me. I am Riti.
Yeah.
That's a short name for my name, Rytikal.
Right. Figure that out.
So I'm saying, you have to get a pure Rytikal for this year and moving on forward.
Okay.
Understand what I say?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And from now on moving on forward, you have to get pure Rytikal.
Yeah.
So it's not, no matter if you kill me, it's not going to make no difference. You only going to make my songs them have already been done greater. So you think you're going to stop me by getting rid of me? It's not possible. You cannot stop something that is already done.
Journey started already.
The journey is already
Started.
That is it.
Yeah.
That is it.
Alright, you're still at East Side, no sir?
Yeah, man. No, I can't watch it. Everything in our life have journey and time. And everybody and people and per art. Everybody, every moment in your life, every aspect of your life, everything where you got through in your life, remember it's a bridge. You have bridge you have to burn and some bridge you cannot burn. You understand what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Some bridges pluralize it.
Yeah.
Some bridges are a part of you. And if you burn some bridges, you burn yourself. You understand? So, I've explained to her, kill me if you want. Kill me, I mean, Rytikal still about survive.
Right.
Alright.
You understand? He said I'm a place, and let me explain something. If everybody will have it one way, SKILLIBEng, I'm my best artist friend.
Alright.
Enough people who don't know me if I never for SKILLIBEng.
So tell about the link there.
And SKILLIBEng link govern my friend. I want your castle. You hear that? One St. Thomas, one East Side. That is it.
Yeah.
Me not care when a man want to read that. And me no want a man feel like me afraid of Skilly, you know. Them, you know, if you know that too, you know. Skilly himself know me not afraid of him, you know.
I'm not compete.
And this is not a message to the world. This is a message to Skilly. And everybody else will mess like Skilly. uno no more than skilly to me. So uno know what I do for uno. No go on like uno want go follow no man. Do what I do my friend. Skilly and my friend. You ever see me and Skilly, uno never go see that. Never. Uno go and look now. Okay. Look, go and look.
So the speculation them, you kill all of that, right?
Yeah, bro. We don't want to negative. Why me I go preach negativity where my birth? Where my birthplace is in music. Why would I preach negativity in my birthplace of music when me I go forward to positiveness? Yeah. Why would I? Isn't that what's the word? I'm looking for that word. That is called, the word is sorry for this day. This word is contradicting. Wouldn't I be contradicting myself?
Yes, you would.
And nothing in my thing born on. You understand that word there? We're in the word country, yeah. You understand?
So therefore, we can expect a Skilly and Rytikal collab soon.
Remember, you know, regardless, you not have to hear me and Skilly for that song.
Yeah.
To hear a Rytikal and Skilly collab. Remember good. Look through life. Don't look with your eyes. Look with your vision.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
That is it.
Pick up for that.
That is it.
Alright, what you promoting right now?
Glad you asked, because I almost forgot. Me I promote a show right now named Reckless. You understand? Cashman, pick up yourself again, you know, go. Team Reckless, pick up on yourself. Smart, pick up yourself, you know, go. You understand? Alright, me have a show bill right now to show the people them where positivity can be through negativity. Some people say violent music and feel like you have to fight sometime in your life when fight a reach you. You have to stand dead. You just want your positivity alone. You have night, you have day. You have
negative,
wrong, you have right. You have negative, you have positive. You understand? Yeah. They all work together. There's none without the other. You understand what I say? So what I'm saying is, you have people think say them have to do negative things. You understand what I say? You understand what I say? So now, when I go show them, say, watch out. There can be beauty in the struggle. That is my new project. We have to talk about that further now. After we done explain this, I don't want to lose my train of thought. What I'm saying is, I'm going to show the artists them where, say them a controversial artist, say. You can be controversial without expressing that through your physical self. You understand what I say? You can be a controversial artist lyrically and be a positive person. Yeah. I am a controversial artist. I hold back that part of me now for one reason only. No artist no bother me. I'm not gonna say I'm saying positive. I'm saying positivity. But what I'm saying, I want the whole of you them know say an artist no bother than them. Yeah. So either way it's positive. What I'm saying is positive. I just don't want the wrong expression from what I'm saying. I don't want you understand what I say the wrong way. I don't want you to comprehend, misinterpret. That's the word. I'm sorry for the, misinterpret is the word.
That's alright, man.
That is it. Tell me when you see me want to hear. That is it, yeah. Alright, look. You see in a life, there are things we are going forward in a life to you where you have to reverse. Turn around. Ricochet, you call it, you understand what I mean?
Yeah, man.
Remember, a car have a gear in it named reverse, you know. You feel like you have to go back in a lifetime or go back into yourself sometime in a life. You can't get up, you can't just go forward and say, oh, I'm going forward. So it doesn't matter who got hurt or who get hurt in that process. You understand? You're just going forward. No, bro.
Riti, we have to wrap the interview now.
Yeah, man.
You want to show the fans?
You can just make sure them know, say, yeah? This interview is to be continued.
It is to be continued, hear that?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
You understand? Chosen. The big song.
That is it.
I was never alone. But the evening, different side eye, clean.